What is up guys, Julien here of Social Vignerons. Welcome back to another wine video. Today I'm pleased to announce that I'm tasting some wines from China, a very first China wine tasting for me. This is episode 22 of the Tasting with Julien series. China, of course, is the big superpower that we know. What is less known though is that it's also the 6th biggest wine producing country in the whole world. In 2017 they produced 1 billion liters of wine. So I got some wines sent from China. So many believe Chinese wines aren't that good. Well, I'm definitely curious to find out. An excellent, well-rounded, well-made wine. So explosive in flavors. Interesting. I love Blanc de Noir when it comes to champagne that are made from Pinot Noir, but from Cabernet Sauvignon, I don't think I've ever had a white wine made from Cabernet Sauvignon, and that's a great example. It's a good start. Actually, an excellent, refined, quite complex Cabernet Sauvignon wine. I mean, let's say $10, $12. If that's the actual retail price you can buy it at, well, that seems to be a pretty good buy. And you know, the Chinese might be starting to compete with the Spanish and maybe the others, because this is generous and this is very, very interesting a wine for $12.